Hello everyone, I am Shindev IP, Department of Botany. Today we will see about the syllabus of TYBSc Botany. So there are 6 theory paper in semester 3rd. First one is cryptogamic botany, second is cell and molecular biology, third is genetics and evolution, fourth is spermatophyta and paleobotany, fifth is horticulture and floriculture, and last paper is computational botany. So we will see paper number 5, that is horticulture and floriculture. In that chapter first, the points are definition, branches, scope and economic importance of horticultural crops, export and import potential of horticultural crops, horticultural zones of India and Maharashtra, and last is global and national scenario of horticulture. So introduction about horticulture. India is the seventh largest country in the world with a total geographical area of 328.73 million hectare and has a second largest population 125 crores after China. The total arable land available is 144 million hectare, of which 70% is under rain-fed cultivation. Around 55 to 60% of the total population depends on agriculture and allied activities. Horticulture crops constitute a significant portion of total agricultural production in the country. The term horticulture is derived from the two Latin words, that is hortus, that is garden, and cultura, meaning cultivation. In ancient days, the gardens had protected enclosures with high walls on similar structures surrounding the houses. The enclosed places were used to grow fruits, vegetables, flowers, and ornamental plants. Therefore, in a original sense, horticulture refers to cultivation of garden plants within protected enclosures. Definition: horticulture is a branch of agriculture that deals with the study of fruits, vegetables, flowers, spices, plantations, medicinal and aromatic plants. Branches of horticulture. Horticulture is a wide field which includes a great variety and diversity of crops. The science of horticulture can be divided into several branches depending upon the crops it deals with. Following are the branches of horticulture. First branch is pomology. Pomology is a branch of horticulture that deals with the study of fruit crops. Second branch is olericulture. Olericulture is a branch of horticulture that deals with cultivation of vegetables. Third branch is floriculture, deals with cultivation of flowering crops. Fourth one is plantation crops. Fifth one is spices crops. Sixth is medicinal and aromatic crops. Seventh, post harvest technology. And eighth one, plant propagation. So we'll see first one, pomology. So pomology, it is a branch of horticulture that deals with cultivation of fruit crops. India is the second largest producer of fruits after Brazil. A large variety of fruit crops are grown in India. Of this, mango, banana, citrus, papaya, guava, pineapple, sapota, jackfruit, grapes, apple, etc. are important ones. India accounts for 10% of the total world production of fruits. It leads the world in the production of mango, banana, sapota, and acid lime, besides recording highest productivity in grape. The leading fruit growing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh. Second branch is olericulture. Olericulture is a branch of horticulture that deals with cultivation of vegetable crops. More than 40 vegetables belonging to Solanaceae, Cucurbitaceae, Leguminaceae, cruciferous roots, crops, and leafy vegetables are grown in Indian tropical, subtropical, and temperate regions. Important vegetables grown in India are onion, tomato, potato, brinjal, peas, beans, okra, chili, cabbage, cauliflower, cucumber, watermelon, carrot, radish, etc. India ranks second in vegetable production, next to China. The area and production contributing is 13.38% of the total world production. India occupies first position in cauliflower, second in onion, third in cabbage in the world. West Bengal, Orissa, UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka are the important states for cultivation of horticultural crops. Third branch is floriculture. In India, flower cultivation is being practiced since ages. It is an important integral part of socio-cultural and religious life of Indian people. It has taken a shape of industry in recent years. India is also known for growing traditional flowers such as jasmine, marigold, chrysanthemum, tuberose, chrysanthemum, aster, etc. Commercial cultivation of fruit of cut flowers like rose, orchids, gladiolus, carnation, anthurium, gerbera is also being done. The important flower growing states are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir, Meghalaya, etc. Next branch is plantation crops. This is one of the important sectors contributing about 7,500 crores of export earnings. The major plantation crops include coconut, areca nut, oil palm, cashew, tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa, betel wine, vanilla, etc.